The name of this game is called deck Lego, which it is marked. Listen to this. This is first one. This is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and this is question mark is the seventh one. Captains will only come and give me the design. If your design is correct and it is technically right, as far as this thing, you will get 100 points. How many points? 100. Make the design. You will work as this thing. It's a very simple. When I say pack it up or box it up, उसको अंदर डाल देना है. Is it clear? Start. Design number 3. Go. Listen. So bring it to me. Wonderful. We have a winner. Very nice. Team Durandar. Wonderful. 2. Come on. Puzzle number 2. Nice. Perfect. Wonderful. 100 point. Winner is Team Durandar. Can we give them a big round of applause? Very nice. Puzzle number 5. What a comeback. Very nice. Which team?
RCB.
Nice. What a comeback. Team RCB 100 points. Can you give them a big round of applause? Puzzle number 6. Very nice. Wow, back to back. Team RCB. Very nice. Puzzle number 1. Sanjeev back again. Very nice. Wow, you guys are bounced back. This is a very special round. In this round, you have to use all the pieces. Puzzle number 7. Criteria is whatever you build, you should use all the parts. Use your imagination, use your creativity, but you have to justify. You want to make a house? You want to make a bird? But you should justify. I am giving you creative, but it should be purposeful creativity. A final thing called as presentation round. All of you have to present. All 5 of you will come. You will get 1 minute. How much?
1 minute.
You can divide that among each other. The 5 minutes to present your design. So first thing is come up with a name for your design and everybody should speak.
This is our horse. Our horse name is Saran. We have made a simple lion. Why we have made this lion means to represent the Make in India scheme, which was launched by India in 2014 to make India as a global manufacturing hub. It also shows even there are a lot of animals in jungle. It is an independent animal, so we have to be independent. To resemble that, we have made this.
Make it by Atmanirbhar Bharat. Make in India, made for Bharat.
Dinosaurs is lived on Earth about 66 million years ago. So it's one of the apex predators in the Earth and it ruled the entire Earth on its time.
लीगो का डाइनो हूँ पर स्टाइल मेरा ब्रांड है. छोटा सा हूँ पर प्रेजेंस मेरा ग्रैंड है. Today me and my team are very excited to introduce new character of Simpson. This one we don't really have a name because it was just created within 1 minute.
One of the major character of this cartoon is, so he will think what will happen in a actual scenario.
Actually, this Simpson doll is made for children and kids just for enjoyment, and this is just like a cartoon network.
It's a famous character from cartoon show, same as Simpson. Actually, it looks like his father in that character in that cartoon show. Actually, he loves going to the gym, but he forgot to do the leg raise.
We have made one camel. His name is Sahara. Why we make this? Because he live in desert and try to keep more things to transport food.
This is Sahara is carrying out essential product in desert area.
The special thing about camel is it is as good as a horse in desert area.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. DK Dhub, Dr. Purni. Anju ji. And finally, under the guidance of Mr. Day, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in, first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line. And if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.